Hello and welcome back. Let's learn how to solve this problem. We are given Hannah will spend $150 on music festival tickets. Reserved seat tickets cost $25 and general admission tickets cost $10. How can you represent the situation with a linear equation? Okay, well, there's a lot of information, so let's break it down. So Hannah will spend a total of $150 on two kinds of tickets, right? There are the reserved seat tickets, which cost $25, and then there are the general admission tickets, which cost $10. So the number of reserved seat tickets, let's call that X, times how much it costs for each one, means that this is the total amount for reserved seat tickets. And then if we add in the number of general admission tickets, let's call that Y, and the cost for those, 10Y. So that means that this is the total amount for general admission tickets. The sum needs to give us 150. So that's our linear equation. And we're done.